Sa Setyembre na ang muling pagsalang ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court. Maayos ang kanyang lagay ayon sa kanyang lead defense counsel. Nanindigan din siyang hindi saklaw ng ICC ang dating Pangulo at hiniling na agad siyang palayain. Narito ang aking report. Mahigit 2 buwan bagong confirmation hearing ng Crimes Against Humanity ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa September 23. Patuloy na naninindigan ang kanyang defense team na walang jurisdiksyon ng ICC sa dating Pangulo. Kaya raw dapat hindi magpatuloy ang paglilitis ng Pangulo at dapat siyang palayain. Pero patuloy raw ang defense team sa pagsuri sa libu-libong dokumento na mga ebidensyang isinumite ng prosekusyon. Kabilang dito ang listahan ng mga tatayong saksi laban sa dating Pangulo.
What I can tell you that as far as the defense is concerned, there are no great surprises here.
Kung ang prosekusyon handa na magpresenta ng mga testigo laban sa dating Pangulo, balak kaya itong tapatan ng depensa?
Obviously, as defense counsel, you wouldn't want to disclose your own evidence to the prosecution. Keep your cards close to your chest. So it would be a mistake to fly any witness to The Hague. I won't be calling any witnesses at the present moment in time. And I don't think that the family has any intention to do that either.
In good spirits kung ilarawan ni Kaufman ang kondisyon ng dating Pangulo. Pero hindi rin naman daw ibig sabihin wala siyang iniinda. Kamakailan kumalat ang litrato umano ni Duterte na nakaratay raw, bagay na pinabulaanan na ng kanyang anak na si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Publishing health bulletins concerning an ICC suspect is not considered appropriate. It's an invasion of medical privacy. What I can say is that the former president will have to be brought before the court at some stage in the near future. And then the whole world will see the condition that he's currently in.
Tumanggi naman magkomento ang tagapagsalita ng ICC sa kondisyon ni Duterte. Pero tiniyak nilang ginagawa nilang lahat para matiyak ang kalusugan ng mga nasa detention center. Bukas naman ang kampo ng depensa sa resolusyong inihain ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano na nananawagang i-house arrest na lang si Duterte.
It's every Filipino's right to be tried in front of a Filipino court, in front of a Filipino judge, and to be prosecuted by a Filipino accuser/prosecutor.
Sagot naman ni Kaufman sa hirit ni Palace Press Officer Claire Castro na dapat galingan pa ng defense team ni Duterte ang kanilang estratehiya.
Well, I'd kindly thank Claire Castro not to interfere with the job that I'm doing, just as much I wouldn't interfere with the job that she's doing, but she seems to have a rather unhealthy obsession with me.
Sinusubukan pa namin kunan ng pahayag si Castro at ang prosecution panel kaugnay sa mga sinabi ni Kaufman.